Went all out on the latest Nova trip, Gucci, YSL, Prada, and I'm demonstrating it for you today. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion, travel, health and wellness, basically things that make you look and feel your most fabulous at any age. Well, I spent the past 4 days in Northern Virginia, quickie trip, had some business to take care of. Also stopped at the big Sephora store at Tyson's Corner. They have some high-end brands that you don't see regularly. I think we do have some YSL at the Virginia Beach Sephora. I don't think I've ever seen Gucci or Prada there. Anyway, I bought Gucci Glow Skin Tint, YSL Make Me Blush, and Prada eyeliner. I'm demonstrating them for you today, as well as using some other new products and high-end products. So get ready with me. So this is the Gucci Glow Skin Tint that I bought at the Sephora at Tyson's Corner. Before doing that, I already put on my face from the Korean beauty store. This is the Deep Lifting Age Repair Cream, and this is the Deep Lifting Peptide Eye Cream. Both are by Medicube, and both I got at the Korean beauty store at Eden Center in Falls Church. But anyway, on with the Gucci. Now, this is supposedly 89% skincare, including hyaluronic acid. The shade I got in this was medium 32. I tested about 4 or 5 shades before buying this. And let me shake. Well, although it is in a tube like this, it's harder to shake. And here it's coming out on my hand. Just starting with a little tiny bit. And let's just take my finger and put it on my face. I found with all kinds of foundations as well as just skin tints, everything less is generally better. So okay, got a little bit on me. And let's take the brush. This is the BK Beauty 101 brush. And just apply it. And it does have a nice lightweight feel to it. Easy application. This is the second day using it. First day, it lasted all day, and I was very pleased with the results. Okay, now off camera, I put on a little bit of this Forever Skin Correct by Dior concealer. I used a little bit of Natasha Denona Bloom palette to line my eyelids, and also some Hourglass Bronze Light bronzer, and Anastasia on the brows. So anyway, on to the next new product. This is Prada. The shade is Mahogany, and it is the Durable Gliding Eye Pencil. This is what it looks like. It is one you have to sharpen. It's not a rollout. But anyway, here goes. I'm looking forward to The Devil Wears Prada 2 at the theaters coming up soon, aren't you guys? And this glides on really easy. And I like this color too. It's soft enough not to look harsh, but deep enough to give you a noticeable sort of eye spark. You know, without liner, I think your eyes can just kind of fade. A good liner will just make them pop. There we go. I love this new Prada eyeliner. Again, this is shade 03, Mahogany, and some of the larger big city Sephora stores have them. Now I just added some mascara from YSL, and I've had this for a while. but I didn't open it initially because I had 2 or 3 mascaras already open. Just open it and I love it. It really adds the volume, length, and definition to your lashes. Now, this is the YSL Make Me Blush. I have seen a lot of videos on these. The shade I got is 66, and it's the nice sort of baby doll pink shade. This is what it looks like. Has a nice little mirror in here. Let me remove the protector and just take a light bit on a brush and dash it right on the cheekbones. And this is one that you can do it very light, but you can also build and get more color. Just do a little bit more color here. And I love this sort of nice Barbie pink shade. Yeah, I love it. YSL, it's such a cute little container too. Now off camera I did my lips. I used a Huda liner, a lipstick with Charlotte Tilbury, and a plumping gloss from YSL. Next up, I'm going to just finish everything off with the Sephora Blur powder. This is like a purple powder. And it actually comes with a little puff. Maybe I will use the puff. I normally use a brush, but let's try it. Okay, here it is. And put a little bit of this. Put my finger in here and see how this works. And just dab a little bit under the eyes and right on the forehead and the nose. That's pretty much all I need. Alright, so this is the look for today using the new items I bought up in Northern Virginia. I really like this high-end stuff. Of course, there's some great drugstore products as well, but somehow it just feels luxurious to say you're wearing Gucci, YSL, and Prada. And I am. The foundation is Gucci, the cheeks, lips, and lashes are YSL. The liner is Prada. And nice and elegant and high class, baby. Well, that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.